Hello everyone, my name is Karina Finke, and this is my example of creating like a play button, something like YouTube has, but I made it different to not making a YouTube button. So I created two HTML codes and one for I called video, so this is the box like pretending that there is a video, and another one it's a play button, so this is this play button that we can see here. So here we can change like if we want the width of this button, so we can make it like smaller, so you can see that I will explain why this is happening, or we can just make it back. So why that happened? Because I did it in a simple way. I just moved this button into this square thing. So I just did it by margin element. So I just did margin top and margin left. So I just moved, like, because when I created those two, it was just this shape and then this shape under it down there. So I just moved it up and from the left to the right, so then I kind of centered it here. I'm pretty positive there are better ways, but this is the first one that I was thinking of. So yeah, that's the width of this shape. The height, well, the same thing will happen if I'm making it, so you see that my button also kind of stays there, not moving together with it. So you have to think about this when you're changing the sizes to change the margins here. So here is the margins just to change the positioning of this button on the screen. Border radius, so we just, by this 13%, we're just making this here like rounded. Relative position, and here, so we just leave it like standard default width and height, and changing the borders, so then it's making this nice triangle shape. So we can make it bigger, but then we have to change all of those sizes. So if I want to make it like 35, you see the angle changing, so then we have to change this one to 35 as well. And if we want to make it a little bit more pointier, we can make it to like 50, so then it's pointier, or we'll just change it all back to a nice shape. So yeah, so pretty much we can like move everything everywhere, change the color, and that's all. I hope it was understandable and you like it. Goodbye.